Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a smart and efficient way to manage your projects, today's video is for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a project schedule in Smartsheet, and I'll share some of my favorite tips to get you up and running faster, especially if you're new to project management tools. By the end, you'll know how to set up a framework that'll keep your entire team aligned, organized, and moving forward. Let's jump right in. One of the best ways to save time, particularly when you're starting out, is to take advantage of Smartsheet's templates. Templates are basically pre-built sheets that already have the columns and structure you'll likely need. Think of them as a project management jumpstart, so you don't have to set everything up from scratch. It's a little like getting a fully stocked toolbox before you begin fixing something, instead of hunting down each tool one by one. Once you're in Smartsheet, head to the home page. This is your main control center. Take a look on the left side. You should see a plus button, or sometimes it's labeled as Create. The wording might vary depending on updates, but it'll always be one of the most prominent buttons. Go ahead and click that. This is the starting point for just about anything new you'll make in Smartsheet. Now, instead of building a project schedule from a blank sheet, which can be a bit overwhelming, let's choose to use a template. Look for the option that says View All Templates. This will bring up a gallery of available templates that you can browse through. It might take a second to load, especially if it's your first time, so don't worry if there's a short delay. In the search bar, type in Project Schedule. Smartsheet will filter down to templates specifically designed for managing project timelines, task assignments, and tracking progress. Scroll through the options until you find a project schedule template that feels right for your team or the specific project you're working on. Maybe you want something basic, or maybe you need a more detailed Gantt chart-style template. Either way, just pick the one that resonates. Click to select it, and the template will open up in your workspace, ready for you to start personalizing. Now comes one of the most important steps, customizing the sheet to fit your project and your team. Inside the workspace, locate the Task Tracker sheet, which is where the magic really happens. This is essentially the beating heart of your project schedule. You'll see columns for things like task name, start and end dates, assigned to status, and notes. Take some time here to adjust the sheet to reflect your real project. Add your own team members or colleagues by entering their names or emails in the Assigned to column. Not only does this help clarify who's responsible for what, but it also creates accountability and a sense of ownership for everyone involved. As you fill out the details, don't worry if you're not sure about every deadline or detail right away. It's normal to tweak and refine your schedule as you get going. The key thing is to get a solid framework in place so you can start tracking progress and making adjustments as needed. That's really the beauty of using a tool like Smartsheet. It's flexible, and you can iterate as your project evolves. With your project schedule set up, you're well on your way to managing your project like a pro. Remember, taking a few extra minutes to customize and organize your sheet now will save you countless headaches down the road, and it helps your team stay in sync every step of the way. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips on project management in Smartsheet. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.